Welcome. In front of me is a TCL TAB 10L, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, open up your settings. From here, find storage. Oh, there we go. Tap on your SD card. I'll be selecting files. Now from here you want to tap on the three dots and then select storage settings, where you will find format option. Click on it. It will give a pop-up letting you know that performing a format of your SD card will remove all the data from it. So if you have anything on your card that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise it will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already made a backup or you just simply don't want to, select Format SD card. This will begin a process which only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. Come on. There we go. So from here, press on done, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.